Today, we're in Bath, South Carolina, tracing the long and surprising life of Bath Mill, a site that reinvented itself again and again across more than 2 centuries. The story begins in 1760, when a man named Myers built a simple grist mill along Horse Creek. Over time, that mill expanded into a sawmill, serving the early settlements that grew along the valley. Then came a major turning point. In 1850, Bath Mill became the first paper mill in the South, a remarkable milestone for the region. It shifted again in 1876, becoming a pulp mill. In 1863, a fire destroys the paper mill, which devastated the southern economy. In 1896, the Aiken Manufacturing Company purchased the site and transformed it into a cotton mill. This marked the beginning of Bath Mill as generations would remember it. In 1929, the mill was purchased by United Merchants and Manufacturing, who expanded the operation. By 1948, a brand new weave room stood on the property, and Bath Mill was producing plain and fancy voile, marquisette, gingham, and seersucker fabrics that found their way into homes across America. Bath Mill was more than a workplace, it was a community. Families depended on it. The mill houses constructed along Front and Railroad streets housed employees of the mill. But on October 6, 1985, Bath Mill closed its doors. 450 people were left unemployed. Workers showed up for their final paychecks only to discover there were none. After the closure, a French company called United Solids purchased the property, but no rehabilitation ever took place. The giant brick mill building, once the heart of Bath, was torn down in 1997. The most recent owner is Mr. John Jones. He has discovered underground rooms and tunnels while digging on the property. Augusta Chronicle TV has an excellent video called "The Bath Mill Gone But Not Forgotten." This is a photo of the Bath Mill Company store, provided courtesy of the Midland Valley Historical Museum, and I have used AI to enhance it. From a humble grist mill in 1760 to a cotton mill that shaped generations, Bath Mill witnessed the rise of industry, the growth of a community, and the heartbreak of its final day. The story is woven into the fabric of Horse Creek Valley and into the lives of the people who call this place home.